Welcome back, mathematicians, to our Tuesday review of Math Review. So this is for May 19, 2020. Please take out your Math Review and get ready to check your answers. Okay, Michael studied for 2 3/4 hours on Monday. On Tuesday, he wanted to study twice as much. How long did he study for on Tuesday? So our goal is to find out how many hours did he study for on Tuesday. So let's write that down. And we're going to write down our facts. On Monday, he studied for 2 3/4 hours. And then on Tuesday, we know that he studied twice as much as on Monday. So it's 2 times whatever Monday is. And we know that Monday is 2 3/4. So we're just going to plug in the numbers. Let me put down my facts here. You can see it. Actually, like this. There you go. Okay, so we have our equation. We want to multiply Monday twice in order to find out Tuesday, because in our word problem it says on Tuesday he wanted to study twice as much. Okay, so we're going to do the operation. Are you ready? So we're going to do 2 times 2 3/4 hours. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to first multiply. Let's first take it apart. We can do 2 times 3/4. We know that whenever we're multiplying with a whole number, the denominator, there's always an invisible 1. So you can write that in, and that when we're multiplying, the denominator stays the same. So 4, so it's 1 times 4, and 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, anything else that we have to do? Yes, I have to multiply the whole number. So 2 times 2 whole hours equals 4. So we're going to make this into, rename this fraction. How many wholes do we have in 6/4? Well, I know that 4/4, so 4 over 4, in this case gives me 1 whole. So all I have to do is, I'm just going to write 1 here, and then figure out how much is left. So 6/4, take away 1 whole, or 4/4 will give me 2 over 4. And then I'm just going to add that. So 4 whole plus 1 2/4. And that's going to give me the total of 5 whole hours, 5 2/4 of hours. So 5 whole hours and 2/4. I'm going to write that here in a sticky note. The answer is 5 2/4 hours. Okay, that's your answer. So check it off if you got it right. You can pause this video as well. Alright, our second question, let's read it. A store ordered 28 boxes holding 12 banana muffins each, and 5 boxes holding 6 blueberry muffins each. What was the total number of muffins the store sold? Okay, so I'm going to break this down. What am I looking for? My goal is to figure out the total number of muffins. So, oops, sorry. Let's write that. That's my goal, right? Total number of muffins. Okay, what are some of my facts? So let's break it down. 28 boxes holding 12 banana muffins each. I know that this word each tells me that I am either multiplying or dividing. And in this case, I know that I am multiplying. That's because it says that there are 28 boxes and each box has 12 muffins. And I'm trying to figure out how many muffins there are in total in all those 28 boxes. So 28 boxes. And we know that 1 one box holds 12 banana muffins. We're looking for banana muffins. Okay, so I'm going to multiply in order to figure out how many banana muffins are in those 28 boxes. Alright, let's take a look at our next fact. Let's change this color so it'll be prettier. Alright, our next fact is that 5 boxes holding 6 blueberry muffins each. Okay, so in one box, each box holds 6 blueberry muffins. So I need to find the total of blueberry muffins in these 5 boxes. So I'm going to multiply again. Let me just write this down. 5 boxes equals question mark blue. How many blueberry muffins? And we know that one box holds 6 blueberry muffins. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out how many banana muffins are there, and then how many blueberry muffins there are. So let me just add this, duplicate this. Okay, are you ready? So first I'm going to do, what happened? Alright, I'm going to do 28 times 12. Okay, so there's two things that we can do. We can do partial product, because when we break this down, we know it's 10 times 2, right? So why don't we just do that? 28 times 10 will give us 280. And then 28 times 2. What will 28 times 2 give us? So 2 times 8 is 6. Carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4. Add 1 is 5. So 28 times 2 is 56. What we do is we're going to add. Alright, 8 plus 5 is 13. Carry the 1. Alright, so the total banana muffins, there are 336 banana muffins. Alright, let's take a look at how many blueberry muffins we have, okay? So we're going to do, we know that there are 5 boxes. One box has 6 blueberry muffins. So what we're going to do is we're just going to multiply 5 times 6. And to help you out, I'm going to draw it out for you, okay? You ready? Oh. Actually, I'm going to do it on the next page. So let's remember 336, okay? Let's see. 336. Okay, so let's take this one. Okay. I'm going to show you a visual so that you guys can see it, alright? So we know that each box holds 6 muffins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is box number 1. We have 5 boxes of blueberry muffins. We want to find the total. That means we're going to draw 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to have 6 of these muffins here, because each holds 6 muffins. Just to give you a visual of why we're multiplying. So in other words, we are multiplying 5 boxes, 5 times 6 muffins. So 5 times 6 gives us 30 blueberry muffins. So in total, there are 30 blueberry muffins. Okay, so now we're going to, what are we going to do? Whenever we need to find the total, it says what is the total number of muffins the store sold. We're looking for the total. That means we are adding. Alright, we're going to add 336 banana muffins plus 30. So 336. Alright, 336 plus 30 will give us 366 muffins. That's the total number of muffins. 366 muffins in total. Okay, that's your answer. Check your work. Alright, next. Mr. Haran wants to replace all floor tiles in his kitchen. Okay, so here are some clue words. All of the floor tiles in his kitchen. The kitchen floor is 14 feet long and 6 feet wide. So I know that this is area, right? Length times width. If Mr. Haran already has 75 1-foot square tile, how many more 1-foot square tiles does he need to completely cover the kitchen floor? Alright guys, so this is what I'm going to do. I know that his goal is to cover all of his kitchen floor. So I need to figure out what is the area of his kitchen floor. It's 14 feet times 6 feet. And look for the area. Now there's a second step. After I find out how many tiles are needed to cover his whole entire kitchen floor, I need to do something else. How many more? So this clue word, how many more, tells us we need to subtract. Why? Because he already has 75 1-foot square tiles, and we need to figure out how many more tiles does he need to cover his whole floor. So we're going to find out the area, how many tiles are needed for his kitchen, and then we're going to subtract 75 because he already has 75. And when we do that, that's going to tell us how many more tiles does he need. Okay, so let's do the first step. We're going to do 14. We're going to do 14 times 6. 6 times 4 is 24. Carry the 2. 6 times 1 is 6. Plus 2 is 84. So he needs 84 tiles. Sorry, guys. He needs 84 tiles. Okay, and then we're going to subtract 75. Alright, so we're going to regroup. This becomes a 7, this becomes a 14. And 14 take away 5, that gives us 9 tiles. So the answer is he needs 9 more tiles. Let's write that down. Okay. And that's it. So I hope you guys are checking your work, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!